Go for it.
Nice.
You can bump a little if you want to.
Better. Nice. Sweet, man.
You're in it. Come on. Keep the tension. That's it, Adam. Match it up. Use that little nub on the edge is the best if you can't heel. There you go. Come on, Adam. Come on. Come on. There's that little nubbin.
Scared the shit out of me. You bastard.
I hate mantling.
Just top it out, man.